Namaste, welcome to Babita's Easy Recipes. Today in this video you can see how I am preparing tuna fish curry with potato and cauliflower. So let's see the video. So first I am going to blend this 2 tomatoes, garlic, ginger and green chilies. So like this we have to make one paste. So now first I am going to wash this in hot water. So in hot water first we will wash this cauliflower. Little salt I am adding and turmeric also. This way all the dirt will come out from this cauliflower. So in this hot water I am going to keep this for 3-4 minutes. So now I am frying this tuna fish. So like this we have to fry all the fish. So like this you have to fry all the pieces. I am adding little cumin seeds. First I will fry this potato. I am using 2 potatoes. So I am frying this potato for 4 to 5 minutes. Like this we have to fry first. So now I am frying this cauliflower. Saute for just 2-3 minutes. Now add onions, bay leaf I am using, 2 bay leaves. Turmeric powder, half teaspoon, then salt, saute for 2 minutes more. So now I am adding this tomato, garlic, ginger paste and green chili is also there. Now cook this masala nicely for 4-5 minutes till the raw smell will go. Now I am adding this homemade masala, 1.5 spoon, and chili powder 1 teaspoon. Mix them nicely. For the homemade masala, in that cumin powder and then coriander powder, everything is there. So I am giving the link in description box. If you want you can check there. So after 5-6 minutes you can see this masala is cooked nicely. Now I am adding the cauliflower and potatoes. Saute for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes add 1 glass of water. So now let it boil till the potatoes cook nicely. It will become soft. Till that time we have to cook this. So now once you see this potatoes are cooked nicely, that time you can add the fish. So after adding this fish we have to cook this for 3-4 minutes more. Like after that this cauliflower fish curry is ready. And if you want you can add little garam masala. If you want you can add. So friends, you can see my tuna fish curry with cauliflower is ready, and I hope you will like this recipe. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much friends. Take care.